What's poppin'? It's Marquise Miller, aka Cool Breeze Keys, back with another new merch alert. And this time we got a review for y'all. Today we got fresh new package that came in. You see how this is how y'all receive y'all package. About to go open it up. See what we got. Sonically in Tune shirt, red on Mars. Then we got the, what's this? Oh yeah, this is the, I think this is the Kobe 8. I got the Kobe 8 sonically in Tune. And then these are the shorts, fleece shorts. See the packaging, how it comes in. Here we go. That's the DTG print, sonically in Tune, red on Mars. That's how the fleece came out. Not too bad. We got a back pocket there, barcode there. Here we go again. Sonically in Tune fleece shorts, red on Mars edition. And we have the matching set for that. Is the Red on Mars t-shirts. Open this up real quick. Got the Red on Mars shirt. Inside got the logo in there. On the side, we got our moon, crescent moon. On both of the sides. Remember, that's the Red on Mars, sonically in Tune. Still got the fit to match with it, so I'm gonna throw you a fit. There you go. Open up the Kobe 8. Sonically in Tune Kobe 8 shirts. We got that on the shoulder. Let me open it up for y'all. See that? That's like on the shoulders right there. Inside, detailed Miller Boys ENT. Sonically in Tune.